Okay, so now, if I'm going to show you that this is the data set, I only have two fields. One is the prompt, one is the response. So in my prompts, as you can see, I have this type of data set, like what is the specifications of Realme New 7X. I have a lot of data available here, so it's not, I think, more than 1000. It's only 1163. Fine. So I have different kinds of model available here and I have different kind of response. So this is my data set. So I'm using the RAG. I'm using the Llama 8v3 or 3b. So now, if I'm searching like this, if I will show you, please suggest me the best camera phone. Best mobile. I am best mobile with maximum uh, camera performance. Fine. My okay, fine. So just hit the enter button. So now, if I show you that how much CPU it's using. Why? Because currently I'm not executing this particular model with my GPU. As you can see, I have GPU. It's 1650 4 GB dedicated GPU, and this is the Ultra HD GPU. Why it's consuming 52 percent or 53% Ultra HD? Because I am executing the code or the pie chart with this particular GPU. Fine, as you can see, my CPU is using 100%, 2.774 or 75 gigahertz. So it takes time. It's now generating the results. Then I will let you know once I have the result. And the results are awesome. It's similar to the GPT-4 results. You can compare it. Make sure you have to have at least uh, 15 to 20 GB of RAM if you are using Llama 3 8-bit. Sorry, it's 8-bit. Okay, so here we go. So now it's saying, based on the information provided, I can compare the camera specs of the three phones. So it's saying Xiaomi Redmi Note 40 Pro 5G, 200 megapixel camera, Samsung Galaxy S A56 5G 5 megapixel camera, and now it's saying Samsung Galaxy S A16, which is 20 megapixel camera. So now, based on the information, I would suggest that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G has the maximum camera performance with a 200 megapixel camera sensor, which is significant. Okay, fine. So let's suppose if I'm saying, according to your compare compare the specs of iPhone 14 Pro Max and all, not 14, iPhone 16 Pro Max with, and also uh, Redmi Note 40 Pro Plus. Hit the enter button. So once again, if I show you the CPU, it's consume a lot of CPU, 100%. So my RAM is, as you can see, this is my RAM. So currently 26 GB of RAM is using. So wait for a few seconds until unless we get the result. Okay, so here we go. I think there is small mistake in your questions. The correct phone model you are comparing is Xiaomi Redmi Note 40 Pro. Wow, not Redmi Note 40 Pro. I'm sorry. So it's saying display iPhone 16 Pro Max is 6.9 inches and also Note 14 Pro 6.7 inches. Processor, so it's comparing the processor, and the rear camera, it's comparing the rear camera. Battery, it's comparing the battery. operating system, it's comparing the operating system. So iPhone 15, 16 Pro Max, iOS 18, and also Redmi Note 40 Pro, Xiaomi Hyper OS. So same card. So let me know if you would like to compare any other specs. So this is the power of Llama 3.8B with the RAG. Make sure we have not used the Lenshan, we have not used any kind of agent in this code.